Hello guys, welcome to Lesson 3, Meeting New Friends in Chinese. This is Gabby. Today we are going to learn how to ask about people's job and nationalities. We will learn some new words, sentence, and then put the sentence into a conversation to learn some practical and useful daily expressions. So, let's check out the new words first. Please read the new words after me. Number 1, 中国 中国 It means China. Number 2, 美国 美国 It means America. Number 3, 人 人 It means people or person. See, I'm a person from China, so when we put 中国and 人 together, it becomes Chinese. Chinese people, Chinese person. Yeah. 中国人中国人 And it works the same as 美国 and 人. Put them together, it becomes 美国人美国人 It means American. 美国人中国人 And then, new words number 4, 妈 妈 Ma is a very interesting word. We normally use it in the question, and it is very, very useful. You will see when we get into the sentence. Yeah, so let's check out the sentence first. Sentence number 1. 他是中国人他是中国人 It means he is Chinese. Yeah, pay attention to this 他. It means he. We have another word 他 for female, but it's in a different character. Yeah, this one is for male. 他是中国人 He is Chinese. That's a statement, right? Now, let's check out the second sentence. 他是中国人吗？他是中国人吗？ Now, let's check out these two sentences. They are similar to each other, but the difference is there is a ma in the end of the second sentence. So, we know the first one is a statement. It means he is Chinese, right? So, hear me out. When we get ma in the end, it becomes a question. So, it means, is he Chinese? So, do you get the idea? When we put ma after a statement, the statement will right away become a question. Yeah, just like this one. 他是中国人 He is Chinese. And 他是中国人吗 So it means, is he Chinese? Right? So same thing with American. If we want to say he is American, we would say 他是美国人 Right? 他是美国人 But if we want to ask, is he American? Then we can say 他是美国人吗他是美国人吗 And we can also change he to the other person. For example, 你 you're talking about you. So, 你是美国人吗 It becomes, are you American? 你是美国人吗 Yeah, you get the idea? I hope so. Now, let's move on. There are more for us. Again, new words. Number 1, 是. 是. It means yes. 是. We learned it from lesson 1. I told you it works as the verb be in English. It can be is, am, and are. But here we get a new meaning of it. It means yes. 是 means yes. Pay attention to that. Number 2. Okay, new words number 2 here. 不. 不. 不 means no, not is for negative. Number 3, 学生. 学生. 学生 means student. Number 4, 老师. 老师. It means teacher. 我是李老师. 我是老师 I am 老师我是老师 Now let's put these new words into sentence. Number 1, 你是学生吗？你是学生吗？ Are you a student? Ma, we just learned it, right? 你是学生吗? That's a question, so we have to answer it. Yeah, we say, are you a student? We say, yes, I'm a student, right? So we can say, 是我是学生 But if your answer is no, we will say, no, I'm not a student. In Chinese, we get it, 不我不是学生 Again, 不我不是学生 Here, I think you have a question for me, right? So, let's see. Here, 不 This character is 不 And here, again, same character, but they have different sound. Why? Okay. Yeah, that's a very important tone changing, tone sandy I want to tell you. This character, originally it pronounces as 不 the fourth tone, 不 But it is a special, so there is a rule for it. So when we get 不 in front of the first, second, and the third tone, we keep its original sound. It means 不 the fourth tone. But when it meets the fourth tone, when it's in front of the fourth tone, or we say it's followed by the fourth tone, 不 become 不, it becomes the second tone. Yeah, we change it into the second tone. So that's why we got 不我不是学生 It's a little bit difficult, so please pay attention to that. 不我不是学生我是老师 Remember? 我是老师 So now, let's continue to move on to the conversation. Yeah, this conversation is a little bit long, so please read after me first. Lucy, 你是中国人吗？我不是中国人，我是美国人。你是学生吗？是，我是学生。你是学生吗？我不是学生，我是老师。Here, conversation is between Gabby and Lucy. Gabby asked Lucy, 你是中国人吗? Are you Chinese? Lucy said, 我不是中国人. I'm not Chinese. 我是美国人. I'm American. And then, 你是学生吗? Are you student? Still about the job, right? Are you student? 是 Yes. I am student. 我是学生。你是学生吗? You say, are you a student? No, right? No. 我不是学生。I'm not a student. 我是老师。I'm a teacher. 我是老师。So that's the conversation for us today, and that's all for lesson 3. If this is the first time for you to watch my video, you can start over from lesson 1, and don't forget to subscribe for more.